Hello everyone, welcome back. On your iOS devices while you are purchasing anything but your iPhone says your payment method was declined. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings and we have to make sure that the internet connection is proper. Then we are going to tap on the profile icon and tap payment and shipping. Under payment and shipping, what we have to do, we have to update or enter the payment information. If already added, then update. If already update, then contact to the credit or debit card provider to allow the international purchasing. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. And also check the settings, general, and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. If none of these is not working, then go back to settings and tap on your profile icon. Here we have to tap on media and purchase and tap view account. Now tap on country and region and select your country and region according to your bank or credit or debit card detail. Finally, what we have to do, we have to download the Apple Sport app. Select your device. Here we have to tap on subscription and purchases. Now tap on update payment method. Now tap get started or update. Remove all your payment method and update your payment method here and tap done. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.